Hello, I have new gimbal to review. This is SIRUI SWIFT P1. I've used mobile gimbals a lot. Now I'm going to check how this one works with my Sony Rx100. Weight capacity of this gimbal is 900 grams and it can support many cameras. Total weight of my camera and gimbal is 1.2 kilograms. By design, it's very similar to Giant Crane 2. Things I like about this gimbal is that it offers amazing stabilization. It's definitely better than Giant Crane 2. Also, it has rubber grip, which helps holding it tight. Balancing is very easy. Even if you don't balance it precisely, it will work great. I didn't like the mounting plate for the camera. When you put the camera in this direction, you cannot use the focus ring on the camera. Also, it prevents you from opening the display up or sideways. I found solution in using small spacer. So this works great, and now you can use focus ring. Second thing I didn't like about this plate is that you need a coin to tighten your camera. If you don't have a coin, you can use a hexagonal key which is provided in the box. This gimbal has 4 buttons: joystick, a wheel dial and 2-button trigger on the back of the gimbal. If you connect this gimbal with your camera by cable, you'll be able to focus your subject. Also, you can start recording. By rotating wheel dial, you have option to zoom in and out. When you click rotating wheel, you can pan to left or right or tilt to up and down. You have 3 levels of motor strength, which you control by double pressing the power button. You can change to low, medium and high. I prefer using medium. This gimbal is capable of supporting GoPro cameras, smartphones, mirrorless cameras and small pocket cameras. By pressing button M, you can change options to track subject, lock gimbal, change following modes, just like other gimbals.
Neka sreća. Ja, kad sam više
Is it worth buying? Yes, this gimbal is better than many others out there. If you are looking for first gimbal, this one is definitely for you.